Today, we are not interviewing a CEO, not an investor, but a future investor. Let's see what a 7-year-old think about future and money. Assalamu alaikum. What is your name?
I My name is Agar. I am 7 years old.
Okay, great. Tell me, what do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to become a businessman. I love cars, Lamborghini, Ford, and Fortuner, Prado.
Very nice. But tell me one thing. When you grow up, you will earn money. What would you do?
I will spend money and save money, then I will invest it.
Great. So you know about investing. Who told you about this?
My father told me if we invest money, it can grow in future.
Great. Where would you invest your money?
I will invest money in Pakistan Stock Exchange through Zafar Security.
Oh, so you know about Zafar Securities. By the way, why Zafar Securities?
Because they help people invest money safely.
Okay, so if you had 1,000 rupees today, what would you do?
I buy some chocolates.
Okay, you will buy some chocolates?
And invest the rest.
Great, very good. Thank you so much.